So we have a kite, so it's a quadrilateral with exactly 2 pairs of congruent consecutive sides. So it can't have more than 2 pairs, because then what would it be? Good. It would be a square or a rhombus. Okay, so it can only have 2 consecutive sides that are congruent. So you have a couple of special properties. Is a kite a parallelogram?
No.
Go back. No. These 2 sides are going to intersect at some point. Okay, so they don't get any of the parallelogram properties like a rhombus, square, rectangle do. So it has perpendicular diagonals. So on your table, go ahead and draw in the little perpendicular right angle sign. What other quadrilateral has perpendicular diagonals?
Square.
Square and a rhombus. And then our kites also have exactly 1 pair. So again, that exactly of opposite congruent angles. So they're like on the wings of the kite. So just 1 set. Do A and C even look like they could be congruent? They might in some pictures, but they're not going to be. We have an example. So on your page, KL isn't printed on there, so you'll have to write that in.
It's just a space.
So what are we looking for?
Length of the dowel.
The length of the dowel. So we're looking for KL. And we're looking for how much Lucy will have left after cutting the last dowel from 36 centimeters. So let's see how we can find KL. Do we know anything about the dowels of the kite?
Yeah, we know that lengths.
What about like KL and JN?
We knew J.
Or right angle. Right? Because the diagonals of the kite are perpendicular.
Looks like it, right? If you put a corner piece of paper there, it's not joking.
And this long dowel, the long diagonal, actually bisects the shorter one. We can label both of those 15.
Where'd you get 15 from?
30.
Yeah, see it up top. Up top it says straight across is 30.
The whole thing's 30.
So one thing I could say is kites are symmetric to the center diagonal. What do I mean by that? What does it mean for them to be symmetric? Yeah, if you fold it over that KL line, then it would land on itself.
Now, what do I have right here?
Triangle.
A right triangle. Yay! Back to
you can
ES6.
You can do trig.
We can use a trig. So we've got a side, another side, and we're looking for this. We'll say X. Pythagorean theorem. How can I set it up?
Adjacent and opposite.
So give me numbers.
So
18 squared plus 18. Be careful on which one.
Oh no.
What's 18?
Hypotenuse.
18's across from the right angle, so it's the hypotenuse.
X squared plus 15 squared.
Okay, I'll let you work that one out. Tatum, give me my first step.
Square 15.
I would square 15. 18 squared is 324.
So what did you say about this?
Rachel, give me the next step. Use your subtraction pole. So x squared is 99. So we're going to leave x as the square root of 99. That's how we got rid of our x squared. And we're going to leave it as exact because we're about to do something with it. So if we put it in our calculator and round, it's going to get even more rounded by the end. So find the rest of KL. We're gonna look at a different right triangle. If we had this right triangle.
So kites are kind of nice because they're basically just made up of 4 right triangles. So we can just do all the stuff we know about right triangles with it.
So y squared plus 15 squared is equal to the hypotenuse, which is 27 squared. We know what 15 squared is. We already did that. So it's 25. What's 27 squared? 729. Subtraction code. So y is equal to the square root of 504. So to get the whole length of KL, you want to add those two together.
Just put it right there and do it, right?
Be careful when you're putting it in your calculator.
Practice doing this with Miss Torres.
We're going to go second, and the X squared button here, radical. 99. Make sure you hit over, so that way your calculator knows we're getting out of the radical to add a different one.
Nope.
You gotta hit that
The right
over button. And we're gonna use the second X squared button again, 504. To see how on the screen right there, it has a little arrow pointing out? That's when you know you're still underneath the radical. So if you wanted to add something else, it is just gonna extend it and keep everything in the house. So we wanna get out of the house.
Press it again.
So it's about, let's round to the nearest tenth,
32.
32.4.
You guys remember on the last test how you had to find the length of the road, how many miles it was, but then you had to convert miles to feet, and then you had to take the feet and multiply it by a price. What happens if you round at the beginning, and then you use that rounded number to multiply by something else, and then you round that, and then you multiply by something else? Yeah, you remember it ended up being off by like $20,000, which is a lot of money. So that's why we don't want to round the square root of 99 as a decimal till the very end. So just put it all in your calculator at the very end, and then it's okay to round at the very, very end.
Now are we completely done? Circle it, move on.
No.
Before you do that, make sure you go back. Says about how much wood will she have left? Yep. So you just need to do 36 minus 32.4. So she has left about 3.6 centimeters. And now you can circle it and move on. So now we're given a kite and some angle measures. So we're looking for, we have angle DAB. So DAB, that is 54 degrees. We're also given CDF is 52 degrees. What are we looking for first? So that is
Wait, I have a question.
alright, so angle D over here is 52 degrees. So what do we know about diagonals of a kite? They're perpendicular. So how can I find part of the angle that I'm looking for right here?
Yes.
Subtract it off of 180. So 180 minus 90 for our right angle minus 52. Okay. That gives us 38 degrees. Remember, that's the line of symmetry, so
Wait, hold on, what? I'm confused on what you just did.
so I just looked at this triangle, this little one right here.
Yeah.
And I know 90 degrees, and I know 52 degrees. So I use that third angles theorem. to find
Oh.
the last one, which is 38.
Then you just multiply by 2 to the bisect.
Yep. Since that long diagonal is our line of reflection, we can just multiply that by 2 times. So measure of angle BCD equal to 76 degrees. So now we know this one up here. And it asks us for A, B, C. So that's one of the wings of a kite. What do we know about our wings of a kite?
They're the same as the opposite.
Those two are the same.
So just add 52 times itself. So it'd be 104.
You're close. 52 was just this half of an angle. That's all we were given.
So isn't the height of bisect B and B?
Our short one
Yeah.
does not bisect.
Oh.
We don't know that.
Okay, so you gotta do it.
So,
Exterior.
I would suggest, what does the interior angles all sum to? What do they add up to?
Maybe.
Of a quadrilateral?
Yeah.
3. So we have 360.
Just subtract that one.
We know 54 degrees. And we know 76 degrees. Let's see what that gives us. About 230.
Wait. Why are you using the full before? Wait,
Because I'm using the whole quadrilateral. There is a different way to do that, and we'll talk about that too.
Wait, so it said to find ABC, so like that measure up there by B.
That's what we're looking for.
And you put 360, why did you say 360?
So I'm using the whole quadrilateral without any diagonals.
So ignore the diagonals for a second. Now we're just focusing on the entire thing.
So quadrilateral, oh,
So quadrilateral always starts with 360, right? Because n minus 2, 4 minus 2 is 180, or times 180 is 360, right? And then how much is this whole angle A down here? 54. How much is this whole angle C up here? Yeah, we just found that from the first step, right? And now, so we subtract those, that means we're currently sitting at 230 degrees. And now, what do we know about the wings of a kite?
They're the same, so you just divide it by 2.
Exactly. So divide it evenly by 2, and we'll know angle A, B, C.
Wait, I thought you said they weren't by something.
They're not, but they're the exact same one.
Our property of a kite tells us that the two wings.
Oh.
They're
And
not
it's asking you
bisecting,
what is
they're
A, B,
congruent.
C, which is that whole wing. Right?
150.
Angle A, B, C is this whole angle right here. So that whole wing is half of 230.